guys I'm going to teach you on how to counter SMG user by using sniper. So guys, this is the easy step on how to counter those SMG users. Basic movement to kill those SMG users. All you need to do is just slide to left or right. Just choose your prefer to slide if it is right or the left. And don't forget to aim the target perfectly so that you can kill the enemy instantly. And by the way guys, I have some clips using those movements. Watch it guys so that you can learn on how to do it perfectly.